Hey guys, it's James from Dom James, and I'm going to open a Lily Gant promo blister, so, yep. If you can see that. So, let's open it. Hope there's something good. Mainly got this for the Lily Gant. So here's the pack. Here's a sampling pack, which I'm not gonna open because there's probably nothing in there, so I'm just gonna leave it here. And here's the 2 cards. So we have a regular Petalil from the Immersion Power set, and we have the promo Lily Gant. It's really nice. So let's open this pack. Giratina. Let's get something nice. Code card, which would be in a raffle. So we have a Cascoon. Oops, how did it go? Skimple, Energy, Stunky, Gibble, Fungus. Was that anything? Dino, Pinchino, Roselia, and well, cool. Flashing Hollow. We hit the Hollow, but I already have this one, but it's cool. So thanks for watching, guys. Good pulls overall. So thanks for watching, and subscribe for more videos.